Hey, what's going on, guys? Just picked up a few goodies from the big box store and figured I'd make a video on it. I am a low voltage technician specializing in telecommunications and datacom work. These are just a few items to supplement my main arsenal of tools. So starting off on the left here, we have the Klein ratcheting modular crimper slash stripper. This tool is going to replace my current crimper, which, although it served me well for many years, just isn't the best quality. The 6-pin plugs, RJ11s, have a tendency to require a bit of force to insert them into the tool, and as a result, the wires can back out or cross over and short out inside of the plug, resulting in a bad crimp. And much frustration. So hopefully this will alleviate that issue. If nothing else, I'll have the other crimper as a backup. I got the Klein Tools punch-down screwdriver multi-tool. I've seen a lot of reviews online, negative reviews, from people who thought that this was an impact punch-down multi-tool, and it is not. It's a manual punch-down tool. Klein does make a cushion grip impact tool, but this is not it. This is a manual punch-down tool. In case I haven't said that already, but it comes with a 110 and 66 type reversible blade. They're both cutting tips on these blades, so you're looking to daisy chain a jumper off of a 66 block or a keystone jack, you won't be able to do it with this particular tool. It is, however, useful for those quick 5-minute jobs where you only have, 1 or 2 terminations to do and you don't feel like carrying your whole tool bag, or even just, the 3 or 4 tools you might need. You can get the job done with this. So I'm pretty excited to try it out, and maybe I'll do a review on it once I get a little time to test it and see how I like it. I got the Klein Tools multi-tool stripper slash crimper. This particular set of wire strippers from Klein seems to be geared towards low voltage technicians, maybe more so alarm technicians or controls guys. So you have your wire strippers, which go from 10 to 26 gauge solid and 12 to 28 gauge stranded. Your IDC connectors, this will crimp those. UR, UI, Scotch locks, beans, whatever you want to call them. It'll crimp B connectors, which I'm not fond of personally, and your stake-ons, terminals. I call them stake-ons. I think that's the brand name, but that's what I call them. And it'll cut 632 and 832 screws. Thought it was a pretty neat tool and worth giving a shot. So 3/8 by 12 masonry drill bit, pretty self-explanatory. These I am pretty excited about. I've seen a few videos where guys have had these in their bag. They're multi-purpose drill bits and will drill through a multitude of different surfaces. Look at all these. You've got brick, cinder block, or concrete block. I think that's tile or stone, some kind of stone. Not 100% sure what they're showing there. Then you've got wood, PVC, and I think that's metal. They're impact ready, and they've got the hex shank to fit inside of your 1/4-inch drive impact driver. So pretty excited about these, and I've got a lot of uses that I can think of for them, so we'll see how they work out. Up next is the Datacom Tools Allen key set. The main purpose for this hex key set, or excuse me, I said Allen key, it's a hex, technically a hex key set. The main purpose for this set, however, is to tighten and loosen set screws in drill bit extensions. I had another set similar to this, but the screw fell out of the side, loosened up over time, and it eventually fell out, and I lost most of the keys. Still used a couple of them individually by themselves, but figured it's about time for a new set. I think the other one was Husky, so hopefully this will be a little bit better quality. Got an Empire plumb bob. The main purpose for getting this is occasionally I find myself needing to get a line or a cable across an obstacle. And so what I often end up doing is I will tie a pull string, or even the cable itself, depending on what I'm doing, onto my pocket knife, and I will chuck that over the object or around it, and use that as a weight. So hopefully this will prevent me from having to do that and not losing a pocket knife. So we'll see. Picked up a few rolls of Scotch Super 33 electrical tape. The main reason I got this, it comes in black, red, and white, but the main reason why I got it is I have some electrical, not electrical, but some low voltage test leads that the insulation has essentially fallen off from them, and I wanted to wrap them with something so that they don't short out. It's not a safety hazard, it's more of it can interfere with the test results if the leads short together or touch a conductive surface. So got 3 different colors. That should be plenty to wrap them up and be able to differentiate them. Of course, I will use all 3 rolls for other things. The white's great for writing on. You can use a Milwaukee ink saw, writes perfectly on it. And you know, whatever you need electrical tape for. I probably have 2 or 3 rolls of black electrical tape in my pocket right now, but I tend to use the cheap stuff. The Super 33 is a little higher grade, a little higher quality. I'll probably hang on to it for special occasions, if you will. Anyway, that's about it for now. I will throw these in my tool bag and let you know how I like them. Maybe I'll do a review on some of them. And yeah, so thanks for watching and stay safe out there.